Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best sleeping pad for outdoor enthusiasts. The Klymit Static V Lightweight Inflatable Sleeping Pad. If you're looking for comfort during your camping adventures, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. The Klymit Static V is designed with your comfort in mind. Its unique V-chamber design not only conforms to your body, but also limits air movement, ensuring that you stay warm and comfortable all night long. Weighing in at just 18.7 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for backpacking and hiking. This sleeping pad can easily be packed down to a compact size of 8 by 3 inches, fitting snugly into your backpack without sacrificing space for other gear. Now, let's explore some of the key features that set this sleeping pad apart. First, the ease of inflation. Thanks to its user-friendly air valve, you can have it fully inflated in just 10 to 15 breaths. When it's time to pack up, deflation is just as simple. Just open the valve and let the air escape. The material is another highlight. Constructed from durable 75D polyester fabric, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Plus, it's water-resistant, adding an extra layer of protection against moisture. With an R value of 1.3, this pad is ideal for summer camping or for use in milder climates. But what really makes the Klymit Static V shine is the comfort it provides. The 2.5-inch thickness offers sufficient cushioning, whether you're sleeping on rocky ground or a soft bed of grass. The design also features ample lofted air pockets that support your body in various sleeping positions, from side sleeping to back sleeping. For usability, this sleeping pad doesn't disappoint. The included stuff sack makes storage a breeze, and the patch kit ensures you're prepared for any accidental punctures. It's a smart choice for those who love to adventure off the beaten path. In terms of versatility, the Klymit Static V is an excellent companion for camping, hiking, and even for car camping where you want that extra comfort. It can also be used at home for guests or as a quick solution for sleepovers. In summary, the Klymit Static V Lightweight Inflatable Sleeping Pad combines comfort, durability, and portability in a way that appeals to any outdoor enthusiast. If you're tired of waking up sore and uncomfortable after a night under the stars, this pad could be the upgrade you need for your camping gear. So, if you're ready to invest in a sleeping pad that truly enhances your outdoor sleeping experience, check out the Klymit Static V. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and outdoor gear recommendations. Share your thoughts on this pad in the comments below. Have you tried it? What's your go-to camping gear? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay comfortable out there.